lab, we will explore the capabilities of Azure AI computer vision service, which is used for analyzing your images. So you can tag your images, you can generate caption, dense caption for your images, right? So we'll analyze all those capabilities using Azure AI computer vision service. Before starting with the lab, you need to create Azure AI service resource. So in your Azure portal, search for Azure AI services. You can create a unified AI services resource, or you can create only a computer vision resource. So we will be creating Azure AI service resource. So you need to give a resource group name here, which I have already created, and then select the region where your computer vision capability is available. So in East US it is available, and then give the name of your Azure AI service, just demo Azure AI, and select the pricing tier as standard as 0, and then just say review and create, and click on create. So now the deployment is in progress. Let's wait until the service resource is created. Okay, meanwhile, let us go to our Visual Studio code, wherein let us understand what we have written in our code. So this is the project which I have created for analyzing your image. And the image that we are trying to analyze, we have got 3 images. Okay, there is an image of the building, image of a person, and then image of a person with dog on a street. And what exactly we are trying to analyze, we'll try to generate the caption, dense caption, tags, objects. We will try to detect the objects and then people in your image. Okay, let us see if our resource has been created. Yes, now the resource has been created. So first of all, you have to fetch the endpoint and the key of your Azure AI service. Okay, so here is your endpoint. So when you go to here, there are so many options. So we are trying to analyze the images, right? And that is using computer vision. So you need to use computer vision endpoint. Click on this computer vision and then copy this endpoint. Go to your Visual Studio. Here we have created one environment file, okay, wherein you are going to store your environment variables, which in our case is your endpoint of your Azure AI service, and then copy the key value. This is your AI Vision service key. Okay. Now we have pasted this. Let us first understand how your code goes. So in your code file, this is a Python code file, you have to import all your libraries of your Python like matplotlib and pil, and then you need to .NET .env to load your environment variables. You need to import all these libraries, and then your image analysis is your AI Vision image analysis libraries you need to import, because we'll be using these libraries to call our SDKs or your AI Vision Service SDKs or the API. Okay. And when coming to this part here, what we are trying to do, we are trying to load your environment variables from your .env file, wherein you have stored your AI Vision endpoint and API keys, which are needed for authenticating the request to your Azure services. And here we are creating an instance of your image analysis client. Okay, so this particular object will be used to send the request. Here we are passing your credentials, that is the environment variables, your endpoint and key. And then we are creating a function called analyze underscore image, wherein we are passing the image path. So this is the path of your image file, which is present here under images. And this image can be opened in a binary mode, and here data is read into a variable. So we are opening the image in a binary mode, and then data is read into the variable. So we'll be trying to analyze this image using Azure AI Vision. After that, here what we are trying to do, the analyze method of your CV client. So here, this is your method object, right? CV client that you have created. So using this object, we are calling the analyze method, okay, to analyze the image. And what kind of visual features we want to analyze for an image, we need to specify. So visual features is the enum where you need to specify the values for it, like what all features that you want to analyze, like caption, dense caption, you want to generate tags, you want to detect objects, you want to detect people in your image. And here we are printing the results of your analysis. So all these are your results of your analysis along with the confidence value. So we are printing caption that will be generated, dense caption, tags, objects that you're detecting people. And we are also drawing the bounding box around the detected objects and detected people. And that is why we have used Matplotlib for drawing the bounding box around your images. Okay, and here at last we are calling your method analyze image, where we are passing the image path. So we've got three images. Let us first start with street.jpg image, and this particular analyze underscore image method is here. Okay, let us start with our demo. So you need to right click here and open a integrated terminal, and you need to give a command python, and your file name here is imageanalysis.py and say enter. So here we are trying to analyze the street image. So this was your image. Okay, it is opened. Yeah. So let us look at the results and then we look at the image. So results of your street.image is caption that it has generated a man walking a dog on a leash on a street, and the confidence value is 82%. And it has also generated dense captions, a man walking a dog on a leash on a street. So it has generated multiple captions now, a man walking on a street with different confidence values. So basically dense caption means we are trying to generate multiple captions and we can select the best caption from that. And then we also have generated tags. So it is outdoor, land, vehicle, building, road, wheel, street. So it has tried to generate all the relevant tags, and also very high confidence values are there for some of the tags. That means the image is rightly, it is rightly detecting the tags in your image. And then it has detected the objects like car, taxi, person, dog. Let us look at the image that it has. So what this code does is, after detecting all the objects, tags, after generating dense captions, after it has generated, it has also created the bounding box around your image. Okay, it has drawn these boxes. So these boxes indicates the objects that it has detected, right? So if you have seen another image is there. Yeah. So here also if you see, it has generated the bounding box. Okay, if you see on the taxi also, it is trying to see, if you see on a where my mouse pointer is, it has very precisely detected a person sitting inside the taxi. So this is how you can make use of your Azure AI vision service to detect any people, or to generate caption, to generate tags, to detect objects in your images. Thank you.